everyone, my name is Shani and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is for everyone who's starting their hair journey, thinking of starting their hair journey, or is already on their hair journey but feels stuck and needs a little push. It took me 4 years to get to where I am and I still have a lot of growing to do, but I hope you watch this video and know that you have someone that's gonna go on this ride with you. So keep on watching. I first started my curly hair journey when I was in my junior year of high school. I started by first doing small adjustments to the way that I style and wash my hair. I stopped using shampoo because I learned about sulfates and silicones. I started to co-wash my hair with the Pantene co-wash conditioner. I started to style my hair with the OGX curling cream. I also styled my hair with Cantu leave-in conditioner and Cantu creams. I started to realize that I was getting somewhere. My curls were becoming more defined. I still had a lot of damaged ends, but I was going through my transition phase, so I would cut my hair every 4 to 5 months. I started doing little things like diffusing my hair to dry it. I stopped using heat. I also started to do DIY hair masks, like using olive oil, eggs, mayonnaise. I would literally put it in my hair and deep condition my hair at least twice a week for 30 to 40 minutes. I started to really see a difference once I started to deep condition my hair. I also started to sleep on silk pillowcases. It made me realize that it would give me less frizz in the morning when I would try to refresh my hair, and I wouldn't need to refresh my hair as much as when I first started. Laziness then got the better of me and I started to slack on my curly hair routine. I wasn't really deep conditioning as much as I used to. I would only deep condition at least once a month, and I started to see that my hair was falling back into waves instead of the definition that I was starting to form. Then during my second year of college, I really wanted to stick to my hair journey, so I decided to get a curly haircut so that I can start fresh. You don't need a big chop or a cut to start fresh or to start your curly hair journey. It's just what I thought that I needed so that I could start fresh. After my cut, I stuck to washing my hair with the Udad cleansing oil, shampoo, and conditioner. I really got into drugstore products, so I really stuck to the Maui shampoo and conditioner. It really helped because it made me realize how much moisture my hair was lacking and how hydrated my hair felt after using the products. I started to dry my hair by diffusing. I also started to wrap my hair at night with a silk scarf just so that it can create less frizz and so it wouldn't make it hard to manage for second, third day hair. I know how hard it is to start the journey and I know how hard it is to stick to your curly hair routine, but I promise you that you being consistent and you being patient will truly make a difference with your curly hair. I hope this video helped you out a little bit and I hope that you enjoyed it. Every month I want to post an updated curly hair journey episode where I show you how much progress I'm making in my hair, and I also share your stories and your journeys while I go on this ride with you. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye guys.